Definitely I need to do a warning and a disclaimer for this challenge. I've been up all night, absolute pain, my stomach. Yeah, yesterday my stomach, my chest pains, absolute agony. Please take this as a warning. I think this challenge went a little bit wrong. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sorted. Right, morning guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we've got a surprise, what we call it. It's not a PO box unboxing.
Gift unboxing.
Yeah, some of our subscribers has got some gifts, so we're going to do an unboxing today. What's wrong?
I was just reading what are in that.
I think it's spicy, that one. Subscriber special and a few shout outs as well. So, guests today, you already know, the wife with no name, the lady with no name, Mrs. Dayz. You know who she is by now.
Hi.
So she's going to help today. I don't know if she's going to be helping do the challenges, so she's just here for moral support and to laugh at me, I think. So I'll start off with this one here. Lucas, thank you very much. Say chocolate, I love my chocolate. Caramel as well, I love my caramel chocolate, so I'm gonna have one now. Go on.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. I appreciate that, pal. What are you reading at here?
Habanero pepper.
Yeah, so a friend and a subscriber as well, called Dave. He's got me a bottle of this to try. He swears by it, he recommends it, he loves it. So he went and got me a bottle. Habanero, if you see my previous video,
I'll open it.
the cheesy spicy sausage I did for the Iceland's range, that had habanero in it and it burnt my tongue. So this should be good then.
That'll do.
Sniff test. Yep. Smells warm. You want to have a sniff? The thing is,
Oh, you're not under that, are you? Oh, I think I'm putting in chocolate then.
that's what I'm thinking. I ain't got a spoon.
No, because you need to try out its own first.
Nah, we'll start as we mean to go along, so...
No, because if you try it with chocolate, it's not as hot, is it? Cheating.
Chili and chocolate go together. Shit.
Stop swearing. That's what you always say to me.
Got a bigger spoon, please. What's that? Yeah, I'm out. So, medicine time. Right, I'm a professional. I know what I'm doing.
Alright then, keep telling yourself that.
You thought I wanted to drop it, didn't you?
Filling my sauce everywhere.
Cheers, guys. I like that, that's nice. Habanero, if I can remember rightly, it is 350,000 on the Scoville meter. So it's just a little bit of heat. Cheers for that, Dave. Thank you very much. That'll probably go with some of my meals I have. It is nice. Lucas, thank you. Right now, the unboxing now. I don't know if I need some scissors. This one. You've already met him on a previous video. If you've seen the Blackpool pub crawl, you've already met Darren and Mandy. And in a previous video, she thought it were funny to get me to something sour. Normally sour stuff doesn't affect me, but what I did that day, you might have to go back and see the previous video, but it didn't agree with me. So this one, there's a few things in here. So, what shall we start with? Look at it.
I wonder what's in here.
And what?
Oh, sweet. Balls.
Just need a wheelbarrow for him now. So, yeah, Daz did say I might get a couple of videos out of this.
Yeah, I'm not eating them.
Because if I do, I didn't see that. Right, I guess. Is that going to be a sour?
Yeah.
I had to guess, because most of these, Darren chose them and Mandy chose one. And she want me to guess which one came from Mandy. It's... What do you think it's that one?
Yeah.
So, the wife in her name thinks... Did you pick that one, Mandy? I think she's a bit crueler. If that's sour, well, yeah, big letters at back. Maybe Mandy got that one.
I think Darren definitely got that.
Why does he not like me?
I can't say on video.
Well, I've got some bugs to try. But so yeah. It says if I manage to complete all this in one video, it's going to ruin me and I won't be able to go back to work for at least a week. So I think I'm just going to try a few today. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What are you laughing at, or is it?
I think crackers. I'm sure there's a challenge. You have to eat so many crackers in a minute. And I think, what's the record, about 3 or something. It's not, no, it's not a lot. Unless if you've sparked them and done something to them, I'm not so sure. Chili powder. So yeah, so I'll show you. So I've got some crackers.
I don't know if I can smell it.
These might be some kind of sour balls. Obviously, toxic waste, as you've seen.
Vapor.
Vapor sauce.
Can I open this and smell it?
Yeah. Obviously, you've seen the bugs and the sour sweet.
It smells like aniseed.
But he said one of these. He said I'll probably do them all, apart from one. He said one of them I might not do, and one of them
It smells like aftershock.
you'll never know. What?
It smells like
I
aftershock.
got some in your thumb. You have to lick it.
No, I don't.
Trust you in your alcohol. It smells. It's like what's that other meme? Something to do with a candle in it. Oh, it smells like is it Fireball or something
Yeah.
like? What is it?
Fireball.
Do you remember how it went?
To us non-alcoholics, can't remember if it says cinnamon, something like that.
It's cinnamon in it.
Yeah, to us non-alcoholics, it's cinnamon.
So I think I know what this challenge is.
That smells like aftershock.
Yeah, I don't have to drink it. I think if I'm right, Daz, and Mandy, I might not do this one today. I might have to do this one outside. I'm sure this challenge is you put it all in your mouth and you've got to keep it in. But every single person who's done this, Puff the Magic Dragon, it just goes poof. Honestly, have you seen it?
In the kitchen.
Yeah. So if that's what I think that one is, I'm going to save that one for now. This one as well, I might save that one for another video. So today, what are you curious about here?
What, me?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Not for me to do.
The bugs.
What, you want to do the bog straight in?
Yeah.
Why not? Right. Bug Vita. Lightly salted locusts, crickets and mealworms. The six-legged superfood farmed in the UK.
That might help me with that.
Maybe. Right, how much protein's in it?
Quite a bit.
57 grams per 100, well, 20 grams.
Oh, about 11 and a half. Are you allergic to crustaceans?
No, I'm alright with that. Cockles and mussels in it, stuff like that. So I've always been fine with that. Right, let's have a do.
Struggling.
I don't want to everywhere. Let's have a look.
Oh my god, you really gonna eat them?
I have to. I can't let you down, can I? What shall I start with?
Not kissing me too much too.
I can get hold of all. Right. What's that?
Locust.
Right. If you're squeamish, please look away now. But check.
Should get Jordan to try one.
Is it? Don't smell of all. Cheers, guys. The hell is that? Oh.
Locust.
It's a big one, Jay. Look. Look at that. What on? Don't swear.
I'll belt you with it. That's a mealworm. Isn't it?
Ugh.
You have to eat the whole bag as well, because you can't really seal it.
Yeah. Two servings per pack.
Oh, you can save one for Darren.
Once opened, store in an airtight container and consume within 7 days.
He's back off holiday by then.
Oh my god. Is it? I've got. Oh, it's making me feel a bit funny. Cheers. Oh, that's just wrong.
Are you going to brush your teeth?
I always brush my teeth.
No, I mean after eating them.
I'm gonna have to have a drink. They've got a weird aftertaste. You think they've been de-pooed? I doubt it. I don't want to think about it actually. So, are you having a good holiday? I know you're going away today, so you might be, well, I won't say on the beach, I don't know what it'd be like over there, but are you enjoying yourselves? Because I'm enjoying myself. I'm a little bit jealous as well, because they messaged me this morning, guess who were on their plane? Only Ricky Hatton. So yeah, I'm a tiny little bit jealous, but... Oh.
You're not going to carry on eating them, are you?
Well, they need eating, don't they?
Oh my God, I'm going for a week.
Cheers, guys. Do you want to ask if Jordan wants one? I really don't like that taste. It just... How can you eat that and enjoy it? I know some countries do. It's like a delicacy in it, some countries, but I really don't understand. I couldn't sit down and eat it like a bag of crisps. There's no way. Right, buddy.
Yeah.
You got your top. Jesus. You want to have a look?
Why not?
What are you trying?
Let's grab some of this, whatever this is.
On or off camera?
Off.
You want to try a lot? Cause
No, I'm all good.
a bit bigger.
No.
What?
Has Mum tried one?
No.
Why not?
Why do I keep frigging eating them?
You weirdo.
What you eat? Look, apparently they're salted. I don't like salt. Maybe the salt, maybe the bugs are actually alright.
You're not going to eat it, are you?
Which one did you think you get?
I think I got a cricket.
Oh, that's a new cricket, yeah. Oh my god. Check this one
Is
out.
this like nuts?
Yeah.
That one don't even look like it's been roasted properly.
It's probably dead now.
It looks
It's alive still. I ain't eating that one.
a bit raw. Right. For that, that's enough for them now. Yeah, so
Let's try these.
It turns into a powder though. What is that?
I don't know.
Right, I'll leave you to it.
Right.
Love it.
This must be Darren's balls.
What, 3 of them? Looks like Mickey Mouse. Right. As they're stuck together, shall try and have 3. What, do you think they're going to be
No.
sour or spicy? So cheers, guys. I'm going to have 3 of Daz's balls.
That's hot. Hot.
Pardon?
They're horrible.
What's wrong with them?
No, it's burning, that's what's wrong with him. Yeah, well, you put 3 in.
Oh my god. Bit, but my throat, a bit of heat.
And my pan's on fire, I won't put it in for a second. On this it says, creating the furnaces of hell. No joke, this is loco. Disclaimer applies. Share your tears using hashtag Vaporwing Challenge. Ingredients: red chilli, scotch bonnet, butter, flour, paprika, cider vinegar, white vinegar, naga chilli, water, garlic, salt, spices.
You got your phone?
No.
We built. Oh. We built to find out the Scoville meter for the heat of the Viper. It just says Viper on it. Viper Extreme. So I'm sure it said if this, I don't know if this was the same one or not, but Darren did say there were one, and I think it was over 6 million Scoville. Oh, yeah, 6 million Scoville. If you've seen my previous video, when I did the Pepper X, that was 3 point something million, so I'm not sure if it's this one what's double the heat and strength. Can you find out on it?
No, it's just coming up with Scoville unit of all different peppers.
What just happened?
Scoville thing for that.
I think it's Naga Viper, that's the main chilli in it. That's what I had in my curry. 4 elephants, and I had the Naga curry, extra hot. I think that's something to do with this. It's got Scoville, Naga Viper, 1.3 million on the Scoville, but it's got other stuff in it as well, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Red chilli, Scotch bonnet. It might take a bit of research, but it's at least 1.3.
10 hottest peppers in the world. Pepper X.
I had Pepper X on another video.
Carolina
I've
Reaper.
had that. Anyway, what shall I have then? It's that, I can never pronounce that word. That capsaicin or something. Extract. That's usually where the main heat is, that's what messes you up, but
My tongue's still
come
burning.
on. We might as well, we'll crack this one open, eh? That was like open a can of pop. Did it fizz then? Oh, God.
Oh, that smells freaking minging.
How shall I do this one then?
Do you want a breadstick? You could dip a locust in it.
I'm doing enough. So why am I eating these again? Dropping it.
What are you looking for? You don't have a shot of it, are you?
Just
Do you want a
Yes.
teaspoon?
please. How much? Right guys, so this is the Viper sauce. I don't know if you can see it. Wish me luck. I already know this is gonna friggin' hurt.
Give it your dad, your dad likes hot stuff. We had a black eye.
Well,
A bit yellow there. Hot?
Definitely warm. Yeah. Wow. That's got a kick. Oh, wow. So I've got 2 items left for a separate video, so that'll get messy. That's hotter than 1.3 million. I haven't lost my voice yet. Oh my god, my eyes are watered. But yeah, I'm impressed with that, Daz. That is. I don't know what I'd have it with. I don't know. Wow. No meal wise, what could I put it in?
Might go into labour.
Right. Oh dear. That it's a weird combination. Oh my god. Oh wow. I'm impressed with that. Do I do it? Was it a separate video?
Okay. Can you even taste out?
I can taste the sun. Oh, got a sweat on. Oh yeah. I don't know what to do with them. Still loads left.
No.
Bye. I won't have a drink yet.
My tongue's still burning from them.
They actually, no, compared to that.
Well, I don't want to burn me inside, so you know.
GoPro. GoPro overheated then. The joys of having a GoPro, eh? So this.
I'll have a shot with her. Not that though.
Might cool it down, but yeah, I'm just going to do one more challenge with this. I think I've punished myself enough today. much in. It's like that black thing come out of it.
What did that come out of?
The vapor.
Cheers. Oh my god, you mean. Oh my god, you're not.
What? Why do I do this to myself? Start a YouTube channel, he said. It'll be funny, he said. Oh my god.
What? You did it, no one told you to.
I know, but I'm gonna regret this.
You didn't get it all. I don't want it. If you're gonna throw up, go up to the bathroom.
Oh, bloody hot. You laugh.
You. Oh yeah.
I messed up.
Well, you did it. Got a shot.
What the?
I like crying.
Oh my god, I fucked up. Oh Jesus.
Put some milk.
I know.
No.
I need tissue. I'm alright, guys. This challenge, whatever that were, I do not recommend it. Oh.
What are you doing with glasses?
What an idiot. I'm glad you're having a good time.
Well, you did it to yourself.
Darren and Mandy. I thought you were my friends. I've got bugs in my teeth.
I know. Ew.
Oh my god, sorry. That was stupid. Oh dear. That best not overeat again and turn out, so I'm not doing any of this again. So yeah.
I won't delete it, will it?
I think that might be the hottest thing I've ever done.
Oh, it's a sneeze.
Bless you.
Thanks.
So, I still need to do a shout out. I don't know if I've got the
I want
energy.
one to Gavin and Amanda.
Oh, they've had one. Oh. It's getting hotter. Wow. So, chat. Oh my god. Oh, I feel a bit weird. I just want to know what are in that vapor sauce, because something big and black fell out of it.
Do you need that Ben tablet?
It's not funny. I might. I might need some. Right. So last video, the Skipton video, I'm gonna do some shout outs from when me and the wife went on there. We went to Skipton and Lindsay got very drunk and I stayed sober.
Yeah, right then.
So we've got
welcome to No Mirrors.
and bumped off it. But if you want to know what we're talking about, please watch the Skipton pub crawl. So we've got Chloe Emma, thank you. Yeah, Steve Bradley Wildlife as well, thank you for your comment. Oh my god. Oh. Mouse Charger was killing it on that video. She put loads. She were on yours. She were on your side.
I thought you were that weight.
I'm not allowed to eat, but yeah. So, Mouse Charger, thank you for them comments. Much appreciated. Thank you. Thank you to everyone. Every single one here.
Apart from Darren and Amanda.
I don't know what I've done wrong. Well, I think they're falling out with me. But yeah. So to everyone who comes back and comments and likes and all that good stuff, I appreciate every single one here. And my ninjas. You all know who my ninjas are by now, and I appreciate every single one of you as well. I've found out who some more of my ninjas are. There's a QA who works for me, QA called Tracy, and I found out she watches my video, so thank you. There's also Rod. Rod watches my videos, so shout out to Rod if you're watching this one. And Graham as well. I don't know, he likes the pub crawl ones, I don't know if he'll be watching this one, will he?
I don't know.
But if you are watching this, Graham, I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Right, So, final notes. Anything you want to add? Say, do. A thank you.
No.
So you've just come here just to laugh at me.
Yeah.
Thank you. No, thank you all. Thank you to all these lovely subscribers, people and everybody who's given me gifts. So, big thank you to all of you. Dave, Lucas, Daz and Mandy. I thank you all. I don't need anything. You don't need to send me anything. It is appreciated and it is grateful. But I didn't think I'd be doing out like this until like ages and ages into doing YouTube. But doing this so early, no words really, because you see the big YouTubers who do PO box and stuff like that. I never thought I'd be doing out like this so soon, because in the future maybe I open a PO box. If you want to send, you don't need to send, no, even if it's just a letter, I can read the letter out. Anything, a card. Oh, well, that could be something for the future. Moving forward, our next outing as a family is going to be in Blackpool, which will be next week from filming this. But by the time you'd watch this, we'd have already been and come back. So, hoping to do a hotel review. Christmas by the Sea, hoping to have a look around that as well. Then that might take it up until Christmas. I don't know if we'll be uploading one on Christmas Day, because I don't know if you might be busy. So I'll just keep to Fridays, I think, unless if you want to see some on Christmas Day, let me know. If not, I'll just continue on Fridays. And then we've got a pub crawl in January, haven't we?
Yep.
So we've got that one to do. And also, did you say you wanted to do one in February?
Yeah.
Barrowford, wasn't it?
Mhm.
So a Barrowford one. And then March might be Manchester. So that's what we've got planned so far coming up in the future. So for now, how it has. And that was fun. I think I'm alright now.
I actually need toilet after.
I don't think about that bit. That's yeah, so thank you for watching. I appreciate your time as always. So, how it has. Bye bye for now.
Bye.
See you later, guys. Thank you for watching. See you later. Wait till I see you back at work, Daz. Hope you had a good holiday. And I'll see you later. Everyone else, I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye. Thank you. Morning, guys. Wow, that challenge was something else. I don't want to speak too loud because the family's still in bed. Definitely, I need to do a warning and a disclaimer for this challenge. I'll put a picture up now. I've been up all night. Absolute pain. My stomach. Yeah. That was Viper, no joke, honestly. Yeah, yesterday my stomach, my chest pains, absolute agony. So, cheers Daz and Mandy. If anyone else wants to do the Viper, please read the warnings, go on the website, take it seriously. That's it, I haven't had much sleep. But it's 4:30 in the morning now and I've got up. I can't walk anyone up. But yeah, so please take the warning seriously. Do not try this at home. Read the disclaimer, because what's making me panic a little bit more, when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing something at, is it 9 million Scoville? That Viper, it were, I think it was 6.4 million. Got Lindsay to Google it yesterday, it come back at 1 something million, so I thought I'd be alright. But yeah, 6.4 million. Yeah, so please take this as a warning. challenge went a little bit wrong, but so that was just an update to let you know how I am, how it went. So till next time, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I hope you still enjoyed it. It weren't for the faint-hearted with the bugs and all that kind of stuff, but until the next one, bye bye for now.